Hi, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fill out a reimbursement form. So once you're on the Purdue AICHI webpage, you're going to slide over to the events column and click on the resources tab. Then reimbursement form is going to be number 4 all the way at the bottom. Once you get there, it'll be a Google form, and make sure you read all the information at the top. Basically, what that's saying is that if your purchase was over $74.99, you need to email me at my Purdue email from your Purdue email a copy and paste of the following paragraph. Just to ensure that I am receiving all those emails, I'm going to try to reply to all of them. If you do not see a reply, be sure to reach out. And one other thing to note is that reimbursements cannot be guaranteed for events that did not have APFs filled out. So just be aware of that. First, you're going to fill out your full name. It's going to be last name, comma, first name. And then you're going to do your current mailing address. So that's going to be your street address, city, state, and zip code, just like you'd see on a package. Of course, during the school year, I'm going to be delivering most of your things in person. This is more so for end of the school year and any special circumstances. But if I do end up having to mail something to you, I will be sure to double check just to make sure that your address is up to date, but be aware of that as well. And then fill out what committee you're on. After that, how much did your purchase cost? Make sure you're filling out exactly what is on the receipt, because we do double check that to verify. Then you're going to do the date of the expense, making sure that is the date that you purchased the item on, like the date that's on the receipt, not the date you filled out the form. That's my birthday, in case anyone was curious. And then what was the event? Go ahead and fill it out with whatever was on the APF. If it's not the exact same, it's not that big of a deal. Then you're going to add an image of your itemized receipt. There are a few things with the receipt that are important. It needs to be itemized, and it needs to have the date of your purchase on it. So be sure that's included. If not, there are some avenues we can go through, but just try to make sure you keep the receipts that have that in them. We're going to go with Jimmy John's today. Then you're going to go ahead and click on next. This is just rehashing out some information that you've already been given. But one important thing that a lot of people do tend to forget is please hit the submit button. But other than that, that's how you submit a reimbursement form. So happy spending.